Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 settings you should change on your Android phone to make it faster, safer, and more effective. These settings are easy to find and tweak, and they can make a big difference in your user experience. Let's get started. Number 1, disable app notifications. One of the most annoying things about using a smartphone is getting bombarded with app notifications that you don't care about. Not only do they distract you from what you're doing, but they also drain your battery and use up your data. To disable app notifications, go to Settings, Notifications, App Notifications, then tap on the app that you want to mute. Here you can turn off all notifications for that app or customize which type of notifications you want to receive. For example, you can turn off promotional notifications, but keep important ones like messages or alerts. Number 2, enable dark mode. Dark mode is a feature that changes the color scheme of your phone's interface to a darker theme. This can help reduce eye strain, especially at night or in low light environments. Dark mode can also save battery life on your phones with OLED screens, as they use less power to display black pixels. To enable dark mode, go to Settings, Display, Dark Theme. You can also set a schedule for dark mode to turn on and off automatically based on the time of day or sunset and sunrise. Number 3, optimize battery usage. Another way to improve your phone's performance and battery life is to optimize how your apps use power. Some apps may run in the background even when you're not using them, consuming resources and draining your battery. To optimize battery usage, go to Settings, Battery, Battery Usage. Here you can see which apps are optimized and which are not. You can also tap on an app and choose to optimize it, which means that the app will be restricted from running in the background unless you open it. This can help extend your battery life and free up memory. Number 4, manage your storage space. If your phone is running low on storage space, it can slow down your device and preventing you from installing new apps or taking photos. To manage your storage space, go to Settings, Storage. Here you can see how much space is used and available on your phone, and what type of files are taking up the most space. You can also tap on Free Up Space to delete unnecessary files, such as cached data, downloads, or duplicate photos. You can also use Google Photos to back up your photos and videos to the cloud and delete them from your phone to save space. Number 5, protect your privacy. The last setting you should change on your Android phone is related to your privacy. Your phone contains a lot of personal and sensitive information, such as your contacts, messages, photos, location, and browsing history. To protect your privacy, you should limit how much data your apps and services can access and share. To do this, go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Privacy. Here you can see which permissions your apps have and revoke any that you don't want to grant. For example, you can turn off location access for apps that don't need it, or disable microphone access for apps that you don't trust. You can also use the privacy dashboard to see a timeline of when and how your apps access your data and manage your Google account settings. And that's it for this video. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.